afternoon, viewers. Urgent report just in. Whakaari Volcano has erupted, with 47 visitors on the island at the time. Nepean Kappa High School reporter Roffey is at the scene. This afternoon, Tuesday 9th of December 2019 at 2:11 p.m, Whakaari Volcano erupted on White Island, 48 kilometres off the coast of eastern North Island, New Zealand. 18 people are now dead and 31 people injured, with 27 of those being critical. The question we're all asking is, how did this tragedy occur? With me now is local geologist Lauren to explain the geomorphic process of how and why this volcano erupted. Whakaari is an active stratovolcano, which means it is cone-shaped with steep sides formed by layers of ash. It is 321 metres high, has flowing lava and a water-filled crater. It's on an island and is actually the peak of a much larger submarine volcano. The magma in the core of Whakaari produces heat and gases, which today reacted with the water in the crater, forming a hydrothermal system and causing the eruption. Water was trapped in the superheated state in the pores of the rocks, which reacted with the gases below and possibly a change in the water level. The pressure on the trapped hot water was released, causing an explosion and launching magma and ash 3 kilometres into the air. No wonder this volcanic eruption has had such a devastating impact on the people, who are facing death, lung damage from sulfur dioxide inhalation, severe third-degree burns, and emotional trauma such as PTSD. Surprisingly though, experts say there will be little impact on the landscape. The eruption was relatively small, and because it occurred on an island, the chemicals will all be dissolved into the atmosphere without detriment to the environment. In fact, the eruption could even benefit the surrounding marine ecosystem. Another positive has been the amazing response of the New Zealand people. First responders, including NZ Police, the New Zealand Defence Force and the New Zealand healthcare workers, were sent to the island by both helicopter and boat shortly after the incident. Sergeant Matthews was one of the first on the scene.
We conducted a widespread search and rescue mission and rescued as many survivors as the police were able to. However, at the present time, there are still 2 survivors that we were unable to locate at the present time.
The whole nation is in mourning, and the New Zealand government has been quick to respond to this tragedy.
There is no limit to New Zealand's capacity to mobilise, to respond, to care and embrace those impacted by tragedy.
The government has ordered the closure of tourism on White Island, and they are introducing new safety regulations around natural hazard risks. Many organisations have ceased trading and are facing criminal charges and lawsuits filed by WorkSafe New Zealand, as well as the individuals affected. For the victims and their loved ones, for the organisations involved, and for the entire nation, today has been a day that will be difficult to remember, but impossible to forget. This is Roffey on Nepean Kappa High School News, signing off.